Hey everyone, and welcome back. Seems like a couple of times a year I get to have the privilege and the honor and the excitement of getting a surprise package from my friend down in Virginia, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains. Kurt has come across once again with a package for me, a surprise. And so, without further ado, I'm going to do a opening. Now, I have an idea what this is, because it was listed on the packaging, of which I have removed the information. So to protect Kurt's email and personal information. So, but this is a surprise for you, and it was a surprise until I received it, of course, and looked at the details of the packaging. And here it is. He sent me some foam. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, this seems to be well packaged. Okay. So far, so good. We're just about in. We see some power leads here. Let's get some of this paper out. And, okay, here we are. Let's see what this is. Okay. It is not what I thought it was. It was listed as a music. Let me read what exactly it said. A used small music amplifier. Of course, for getting across the border is a smart idea to actually list it as a music amplifier. But this is indeed trying to keep it in shot, sorry about that. It is an amplifier. There's a key there too, interesting. And it looks to be in really good shape. Actually, this looks very, very, very good shape. Power, REC amp, receive amp. So it's got a preamp into it, and there is, what does that say there? Dial-a-watt? Not sure. Can you make that out? I can't. Dial-a-watt, I think so. Well, that's a surprise. It's a DX350 HDV Texas Star, and it looks like it has a variable power. Interesting. Okay. On and off. Okay, off would be here. On is here. Thank you so much, Kurt. I really do appreciate that. Might be something that I may hook up in days to come. Some extra packaging here. So, without further ado, I will close this video. Thank you once again, Kurt. I may install it and use this from time to time. I do have a power supply that'll run this. I'm assuming it's going to do about 350. Well, let's just say 300 for sake of argument. And I'm thinking 300 watts. You're going to need about 30 amps to run that, and I think I do have a 25 amp with a 35 amp surge, I believe. A big brute, a power amp. So maybe someday I'll get that wired up and check it out on the air. Anyway, thanks for everyone for watching, and look forward to some more CB Radio video gates if conditions on the CB Radio improve. Thanks for watching.